If you're searching for a small and compact laptop that's easy to carry, perfect for students, professionals, or travelers, then you are in the right place. Here in this video, we will explore 5 best small laptops, ranked from 5 to 1. These laptops are compact, budget-friendly, and designed for everyday use like studying, browsing, and even light working. So, let's dive into the video and see which are those 5 amazing small laptops. And for all the laptops, I have provided link in the description and also tagged in this video. If you have any queries related to buying any new laptop, you can comment in the comment section. I will reply you there. So, HP Chromebook 11 G9EE comes with 11.6-inch screen, cost you just 10 to 12,000 rupees and $100 in the international market, and comes powered with a MediaTek MT8183 processor, 4GB RAM and 32GB eMMC, and it runs Chrome OS. HP Chromebook G9EE. This is one of the most affordable laptops, and it comes with just 11.6-inch screen and compact design. It is extremely lightweight and portable, making it perfect for kids, school use, or anyone who just needs a basic device for browsing, watching YouTube, or just typing documents. It runs on Chrome OS, which means you'll get quick startup, smooth performance, or simple tasks and access to Google applications like Google Docs, Gmail, and Drive. With the 4GB and 32GB of storage, it is not built for heavy multitasking or large software, but it works very well for online learning and casual use. Battery life is also reliable, lasting easily for school or college hours. If you're a student or a parent looking for a simple and budget-friendly laptop for their kids, this one is the best one. Links are provided in the description and also tagged in this video. PrimeBook 2 Neo comes with just 11.6-inch screen, will cost you around 15,000 rupees or around $150 in the international market, and it is powered by MediaTek Helio G99 processor, comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS storage, and also run the Prime OS 3.0. It's a very unique and student-friendly laptop. Instead of running Windows or Chrome OS, it comes with a Prime OS, which is an Android-based system designed for laptops. This means you can run both Android applications and desktop-style application, giving you a flexible experience for study and entertainment. The 11.6-inch display makes it compact, very easy to carry around, while the MediaTek Helio G99 processor with a 6GB RAM provides smooth multitasking compared to most entry-level Chromebooks. Storage is another highlight as it comes with a 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is faster than traditional eMMC storage. The PrimeBook 2 Neo is mainly targeted at students who want something affordable but also powerful enough to handle online classes, research, YouTube, and even some light Android games. Battery life is dependable and the design is slim and portable. However, since it doesn't run Windows, professional users may find some limitation in software compatibility. Overall, the PrimeBook 2 Neo is an excellent choice for students looking for an affordable yet capable small laptop with the best of both Android and PC features. Lenovo 100E Chromebook Gen 4 comes with 11.6-inch of screen, will cost you around 15,000 rupees and around $150 in the international market, powered by MediaTek Campanio 520, 8GB of RAM and 64GB of eMMC, and runs Chrome OS. Lenovo has built a reputation for strong, reliable laptops, and this Chromebook continues the trend. Designed mainly for students and lightweight users, this 11.6-inch laptop comes with a tough build quality, making it durable for everyday school or travel use. What sets this Chromebook apart is its 8 GB of RAM, which is double what most budget Chromebook offers. This extra memory means smoother performance, better multitasking, fewer lags, and when you are switching between tabs or running multiple applications, it is super good. Powered by MediaTek Campanio 520 processor, it handles online tasks, video calls, and cloud applications with ease. Storage is only 64 GB, which is modest. The laptop easily performs the job, and it is good for students, teachers, and professionals who need just a simple, reliable machine. Acer Aspire 3 comes with 11.6-inch screen, will cost you around 18,000 rupees and $200 in the international market. Comes powered with Intel Celeron and 4500, 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. It's one of the best value small Windows laptops on the market. Unlike most compact laptops that comes with a Chrome OS or limited storage, this one packs full 512 GB SSD, a big advantage for storing files, videos, and applications. The laptop is powered by Intel Celeron N4500 paired with 8 GB of RAM, making it capable of handling day-to-day tasks like browsing, MS Office, Zoom calls. It's lightweight, affordable, and offers excellent value. The design is simple but practical, and the battery gives you decent backup for regular use. Overall, it's a great laptop for the price. Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 3 comes with a 12.4-inch size and will cost you around 50,000 rupees and around $600 to $800 in the international market. Powered by 12-gen Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB of RAM, and runs Windows 11. We have the Microsoft laptop, and it is the best one among all. This laptop is a perfect balance of style, portability, and performance. While it's slightly larger at 12.4 inches, it still falls into small and compact laptop category, making it ideal for professionals and students who want a premium experience in a lightweight form. Powered by Intel Core i5 processor paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB SSD, this laptop offers snappy performance whether you are multitasking, attending video calls, or working on projects. It is not a Chromebook, it's a Windows laptop. The build quality is premium with a sleek aluminum finish and responsive touchscreen display, making it versatile for both typing and touch navigation. At just 1.13 kg, it's one of the lightest premium laptops, so carrying it as simple as that and super easy. If you're looking for a laptop that combines power, portability, and premium design, this is the best option. Yes, it comes with a higher price tag compared to other laptops in this list, but offers great value for money and great power. So these are the 5 amazing budget small laptops that you can buy. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.